This is Paranui Pa, right in the heart of Ngati Raukawa, and today the venue for local iwi leaders to create an iwi education strategy. But they're not taking a typical approach. They've decided to re-establish a former institution they all grew up a part of, Hui Rangatahi.
One of the things that's really excited me about the Hui Rangatahi, or exciting our team, including all the people who have come today, is the idea of doing something completely different, completely revolutionary, trying to create a strategy that belongs within the people and being led by the people. Hui Rangatahi will be the tool to capture the critical mass to help us lead our education strategy.
We did a bit of background and we had a few conversations, and it seemed that Hui Rangatahi was definitely one that could, and that was one of our key goals today, was to see if actually Hui Rangatahi is relevant for this generation, and from what we've got out of this hui, that it's a great start, and we're certainly on the right track.
What is a real situation?
Hayden sees a revival of Hui Rangatahi as an opportunity to collect valuable data and gain local rangatahi insight. He says the focus will not just be on marae, hapu and iwi studies, but will appeal to those with a range of interests.
There's going to be activities for dancers, mahi toi, so traditional. One of the things that the planning committee agreed on today was a focus being kai. And you naturally, like, all of the participants started to bubble even at the idea of kai. So there'll be like rewana, hangi, mara kai, sustainability, all of those kind of things. There'll be hakina, exercise.
This 17-year-old dancer sees Hui Rangatahi as a positive step for youth development and says that by combining rangatahi interests with traditional teachings, everyone wins.
I reckon Hui Rangatahi is about kids these days not only getting in touch with all their peers around them and coming together as a whānau, but also learning their old ways of them, like their marae and where they're from, and knowing how each other are connected.
When I was growing up, my father was of the mind that if we were going to take a scholarship from Ngati Raukawa, then we needed to give into the iwi. And one of the ways that we were taught to give into that was by attending Hui Rangatahi. For me, Hui Rangatahi is a way to build strong relationships and long-lasting relationships with all iwi members my age, and also a way that my iwi is able to support me.
If I start by saying that my kids are aware of where they're from and they spend time at their tūranga waiwai, and hopefully by participating in the Hui Rangatahi, they'll be able to make some connections with other people, and because those networks are important as we get older, that we have to work together as hapu of an iwi.
This isn't exactly a new approach. In 1975, Ngati Raukawa initiated a 25-year tribal development plan called Whakatupuranga Rua Mano. This saw the revitalisation of marae and the Māori language thrive through initiatives like Hui Rangatahi. For reasons that are unclear, Hui Rangatahi met its demise in the year 2000, but the team here hope that the relaunch will carry on through many generations to come, and are already making moves.
We're talking about a structural change and a change of mindset in terms of the way we're wanting to approach the strategy, that we're wanting to get the rangatahi to drive it.
So the biggest success for us today was we got all the key drivers for Hui Rangatahi. So we got the people who are passionate, who are keen, who are transformative, and who are well connected with the iwi. So in order to make Hui Rangatahi successful, we need them to approach their networks, we need to approach our networks, we need to really publicise it, go to every school, go to young people events, go to the pokai, and promote it. And once it's promoted, deliver a really amazing first hui, and then let word of mouth do the rest.
The first Hui Rangatahi will be a week-long hui held in the April school holidays at Parewahawaha Marae in Bulls. Organisers are expecting a large turnout, so register your interest on their Facebook page.